Hard work, dedication, sacrifice. I can do that. I can do that all fucking day long. I can get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I can outwork you. That's where I found greatness over there. I don't want to be a SEAL today. Or I don't want to be whatever today. I'll start tomorrow. And that's the usual pattern of people's lives. That's why I talk about clearing out the mind. Until you really want to do something, you're always going to be a talker.
Motivation is crap. That's what David Goggins says. The man who ran 100 miles with broken legs. Motivation, that's a mood. Discipline, that's a system. If you're a creator, an artist, a filmmaker, a writer, a beat maker, and you're still relying on motivation to create, you're already behind. Today, we break the habit of waiting to feel ready. Welcome to Discipline Arts. Let's build something real. Let me paint a picture you already know. You have a great idea. You write it down. You say, I'll start it tomorrow. Tomorrow comes. You feel tired. You say, let me just clear my mind first. Then it's next week. What happened? You were waiting for motivation. Motivation is emotional. It dips with your sleep, your mood, your environment. If your creativity depends on that, you're building on sand. Ask Goggins. Ask Jocko Willink. Ask anyone who's built greatness. They don't wait. They structure. Most people think discipline is about punishment. Waking up at 4, cold showers, no fun. But real discipline isn't about control. It's about design. Discipline is the art of building your day in a way that makes creativity inevitable. A musician with a 2-hour lo-fi block every morning, that's discipline. A writer who turns off all Wi-Fi before 9 a.m., that's discipline. And no, it doesn't mean grinding until you burn out. It means setting boundaries so you don't fall off track. You don't get distracted because your system doesn't let you. Let's build yours. I call it the creative focus stack. 4 layers, 1 mindset. You don't need more motivation. You need this. Number 1, morning anchor. Start your day by writing 1 sentence. Today I build so and so. Not today I'll try. Not today I might. Today I build. That's identity language. It primes your brain for intention. Want to level it up? Use the same desk, same coffee, same playlist. This creates a trigger loop. Your brain starts recognizing as build time. Start small. 1 sentence, 1 goal, 1 identity. Number 2, 90/30 rhythm. You can't focus forever, but you can focus hard, in blocks. The 90/30 method is simple. 90 minutes of deep work, 30 minutes of active rest. During the 90 minutes, no social media, no multitasking, no checking if it's good yet, just build. During the 30 minutes, stretch, breathe, go outside, don't scroll, don't edit, let the mind reset. This trains your brain to operate like a focused cycle, not a scattered feed. Number 3, finish ugly. Perfectionism is fear dressed in ambition. You think you're not ready, but the truth is, you're scared to be seen. Finish ugly is the antidote. Release version 1, even if it's shaky, even if it's messy, because version 1 leads to version 2, but version still in my head leads nowhere. Done is better than perfect, every single time. Number 4, loop closure. Before your day ends, ask, what did I build today? Not, what did I do? Not, what did I work on? What did I finish? This rewires your brain to value progress, not busyness. It makes creativity feel real, tangible, trackable. Want to go deeper? Write that answer in a journal every night for 30 days. That habit alone will change how you see yourself as a creator. The world rewards creators who finish, who build when they don't feel like it, who show up when it's silent. This isn't about hustle culture. This is about craft. Goggins doesn't run because it's easy. He runs because he trained himself to do what must be done, no matter what. You're a builder, a thinker, an artist. You don't need motivation. You need a system. If you're ready to stop waiting and start creating, subscribe to Discipline Arts. Drop a comment with the first habit you're building, and download your free Creative Focus Kit below. It's time to become who you're meant to be, one focused day at a time.